Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to program a Magnavox universal remote to TV. I'll explain the two method here without using code how you can program Magnavox universal remote to TV, and with the code how you can program. I'll explain. Please keep watch on this video. For the first method with codes how need to program Magnavox universal remote to TV, I'll explain. For this first step is turn on your device either by using the original remote or the manual power button. Then press and hold the code search button on the universal remote to initiate the setup process. Let's go the button after you see a light on the remote. Press the TV button on the remote. Then use the numeric keys to enter the code. If the code is correct, the LED on the remote will turn off and the keys will work. If the code is incorrect, the LED on the remote will be blink 5 times. If that happens, you will have to repeat the process but enter a different code this time. Now here I tell about how to program a Magnavox universal remote without codes. For this, first step is turn on your device and press and hold the code search button on the remote for around 2 seconds. Let's go off the button after the light on the remote turns on. Next press the device button on the remote. Press and hold the power button until the light on the remote starts blinking and your device turn off. Make sure to point the remote towards the device while doing this. Now press the enter button within 4 seconds to save the code. If the device doesn't turn off, you must repeat the process from the start. You will need to keep doing this until the remote is able to find the correct code. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.